Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you step-by-step process how we can form an LLC in Florida. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you will get on this site called Legalzoom. Legalzoom is an amazing company which is going to help you form an LLC. And why do I recommend Legalzoom? Yes, their service is perfect, but another thing is that what I recommend for everyone is to outsource the accountancy. Outsource the creating of the company and business administration to someone, and you focus on generating revenue, increasing your sales, and getting your name out there. So that's why I recommend Legalzoom. Let's start. The first thing you want to do is click LLC. Now, start your business with confidence. You just want to add a name here. I'm going to name it Stones Company. Check availability. Now enter your state. I'm just going to write Florida. When I'm here, okay, it's available. So I will just add here my email address. It's really simple. And now, when do you want to launch? Let's go with the soon. That's exciting, launching a new business in life-changing move. Continue. And now, is Stones Company your first LLC? Yes. What will Stones Company do? And I'm going to e-commerce. But again, you choose which, like restaurant, florist, consulting, travel, technology. Again, you just add it here, continue. Now, will Stones Company have employees in first year? I'm not going to have, so no. If yes, you just press yes. Now, essential services for Stones Company. By law, you will require a registered agent, and then you will also require specific paperwork and legal documentation. So again, you just need these things. See essential services, relax with our registered agent service, legal required, okay, easy choice, great value. You can continue with Legalzoom, or you can appoint a different registered agent. Again, that's completely up to you. I would recommend going with a Legalzoom and just like outsource to them everything to solve, because I've been entrepreneur for like 8 years, and I've seen many times that people are micromanaging everything around the business, from accountancy to business administration, and they are not focusing on sales and increasing revenue. So that's just my thing. That's my recommendation for you. If you want to do it alone by yourself, it's going to be not that easy. Continue with Legalzoom. Now you have first option here between operating agreement, which is like the basics for $100, then operating agreement plus ein, it's like required, without it you can file taxes or open a bank account, or operating agreement, ein, and licenses. Key documents including help with required federal, state, and local permits and licenses. I would go with this one here. Again, up to which one you choose. Now, when I'm going to click on it, then business services for Stones Company. First, we got Legal Protect, independent attorney to help set up and run your business, and total compliance. Stay compliant and protect your personal assets. See business services. Legal Protect for Stones Company. Affordable protection, legal guidance, unlimited 30-minute consultation with independent attorneys for any new employment or legal issue, or 30-minute consultations for legal advice on any new issues that you're going to have. So you can take the trial, but you don't actually need to do it. So let's click no thanks. And when I go further, I can see total compliance, fail to stay compliant, and you can be sued personally for acts of your business. And they can help you set up and stay compliant. And the one thing I really like about Legalzoom, that if they miss anything, they pay the fine and penalty. You are going to be covered. And it's going to cost you only $280 a year. You just add here, take my included trial, and you just move on. Now, you just see it here, sell an LLC package. The first one is economy, which is going to be $79, and then it's going to take you 30 days. Or you can go with the standard version, which is $329, or Express Gold, $349. You get literally in those fastest service on Express Gold, you get literally everything. In 10 days, your LLC will be created. And when you're going to scroll down, what they actually offer is 7 days a week, lifetime customer support if you're going to choose the Express Gold. But again, economy is fine too, or even a standard. If you want to go with the economy, $79, you're going to wait 30 days. If it's all right for you, choose that. Now, to go even further, you want to click on, let's say, Express Gold or like standard version. You just like can create your account in Bank of America. No thanks. And then in checkout, as you can see, we see it here, standard version LLC. It's going to cost us $683. We can just like go with the economy class, update order, and then okay, we got it, $433. continue to checkout, and you just fill here everything, first name, address, card number, and you got to go. Now, this is what I was talking about. This is how we can simply do it. What you want to do, and what I recommend you to do, is to create effective processes right now to set up being like, okay, what do I actually need to do? I need to set up my website. I need to call every day 15 people to sell my service. I need to create this. Create a process of things that you need to actually fulfill. Because many times I see that people are not that effective as they could be. And what is the goal here is to, let's say that you have 8 hours every day to work. I work 12 hours, but let's say you have 8 hours. So 8 hours, in 8 hours, you can do this amount of work. What is your goal for this quality? What is your goal to increase your amount of work to this for those 8 hours and still be like healthy, still be all right? And what you can do then is when you're going to increase the workload to this in 8 hours and you can not going to be destroyed in your health, you can even increase it by employees or just by yourself being more effective. And how to be even more effective? That's the question. First, eat healthier food. No snacks, no sodas, just time to time snack, but focus on clean water, salads, and things like that. The next thing that I recommend to do is to completely disable notifications on your mobile. And when you wake up in the evening, like schedule what I want to do the next day. From 5 a.m., I want to wake up, and then I want to like exercise, I want to kiss my wife, whatever. Set up the schedule, what you want to do, and you need to be strict about that. Then when you're going to be strict about that, what you're going to do, then you need to report in the evening to yourself why you weren't that effective, why you weren't that productive as you wanted to be. Only because at 7 a.m. I wanted to check Netflix, and bam, I was there. So, okay, in what way I can, not delete, but how can I limit my usage of Netflix? So I can take the notebook or mobile phone and put it somewhere where it's not going to attract my attention. I can disable notifications on Netflix. I can delete Netflix on my mobile and use it only on my computer or notebook. So find ways. And it's like ping pong, right? You're trying to reflect every single day in what way you can be better than yesterday. And then you got no idea how big you're going to be in 2 years. If I could, boys, show you how damn machine you're going to be. But you're going to be healthy machine. You're going to be peaceful machine with clear mind. You're not going to be a machine which is going to be like, I need to work. No, you're going to be like a ninja smoothing away through the country and that's the goal. So yeah, thank you very much, everybody. If you have any questions, ask me down in comments. And this is pretty much it how we do it. But it's much more complex, of course. For me, it took me like 1.5 years to create really effective processes. And I think I can help you with that also. So if you want, you can write me. Goodbye.